Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, hi, my name is Busari Imolayo and I'm a registered nurse based in Nigeria. On this channel, I film content related to nursing and healthcare. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to cope with exam tension as a nursing student. If you're new here, please click on the subscribe button to join the YouTube family and also on the bell icon so you get a notification whenever I drop another video. With that being said, let's get into the topic for today. So to start with, what exactly is exam tension and when can a student be said to be having exam tension? Now, exam tension can be described as fear, stress, anxiety, or any of the synonyms of these words that are associated with having to take a test or an exam. What differentiates exam tension from other types of tension is the fact that it is associated with a test, a forthcoming test, if you ask me, or a forthcoming exam. Now, nursing students have experienced this particular type of tension for as long as there has been nursing exams. This is because of certain peculiarities that are associated with nursing exams, being the fact that the courses are sometimes very voluminous, and you could be having questions from previous semesters reflecting in exams of other semesters. So that alone is a cause for exam tension. And exam tension in some cases has led to students forgetting answers in exam, sweating, in fact just going blank during exam, and it eventually leads to poor performance. So if a nursing student is to get over exam tension, there are certain steps they need to take, there are certain things they need to put in place or to consider in order to overcome exam tension. And the first on my list is having a positive mindset. Now, having a positive mindset could actually seem abstract, but it is very true, in the sense that a lot of nursing students, even before the exam, in fact before they even gain admission into school, they already have this mindset, this orientation that this course is difficult. I'm not sure I'm going to pass this course. A lot of people fail this particular course. There's a chance that I'm not going to make it. Like, people already have a negative mindset. They're already pessimistic about what is to come. So if you must overcome exam tensions, you need to first have a positive mindset. Believe in yourself. There are people that have written that particular course and they passed. There are people that have written a particular exam before you and they passed. They are not aliens. They don't have a special DNA or something that made them pass that test or that exam. Having a positive mindset is your first step to overcoming exam tension. So if it would require you to have some daily affirmations that you keep repeating or reciting every single day, just to to consciously imbibe that positive mindset, or to, in fact, if you have to write it down, paste it on your wall, see it every morning, tell yourself you can make it. Just have a positive mindset. Then be around people that also have positive mindset. You don't need to be around people that are constantly complaining and nagging and talking about how they're going to fail this course, or how this course is difficult, that course is difficult, they're not sure they're going to make it, how one of their sisters failed, how one of their brothers failed. You need to dissociate yourself from people that will bring negative perception, negative mindset, and for me, I call them negative vibes. So after that is done, the second step now is proper planning, proper preparation. Without planning, without preparation, without scheduling how do you want to study for your exams, there is no way you're going to get to that exam hall, or you're going to see that exam paper, or you're just going to see that exam timetable and you will not have exam tension. Nothing beats appropriate planning, appropriate scheduling, appropriate preparation for exams. So what are the steps to having an appropriate plan for your exam? When it comes to having appropriate plan for your exam, the first thing I always say is take nursing one step at a time, one course at a time. Now, by the time you're already thinking, Jesus, I have 26 courses to write this semester, or 26 units, I have 20 something units this semester, how am I going to make it? By the time you put all those units together, all those courses together, when you're thinking, that would eventually bring about tension and exam tension on the day of the exam. So I believe in breaking it down into number of courses. Okay, which ones are are more voluminous than the other, which ones you have problem with. You try to separate and identify the courses that seem to be more easier for you, the ones that seem more difficult, the one you need to spend more time on. You divide that. So by that time, possibly you had 12 courses initially. By the time you select courses that seem to be more easier and you separate them from the ones that seem to be more difficult, out of 12 you might only find out that you only have 5 major courses that you may find difficult out of 12, and that's not even up to 50%. So once you arrange or take your courses one course at a time, your program one level at a time, that will actually help to bring down the tension, because now you're thinking about 5 courses as opposed to 12 courses you're thinking about. Number 2, get help from people that actually know these things. Don't wait till the day of the exam or till like a week before the exam before you start running around looking for tutorials. Get help after every class. If it will take you to just go to YouTube, watch tutorial videos, go online, check for materials from other schools. If you go online, the materials from Open University, like National Open University now, it is always online, and they have their nursing courses, their handouts, they're always online. So if it's a situation where you don't find enough materials, maybe you don't get enough materials from your lecturers, or your lecturers only gave you the course outline and you never saw the lecturer again, you can get those things online to help you prepare for the exam. So once you've gotten materials, you've gotten tutorials from the internet, you can also approach your classmates. Yes, there's no big deal. Your classmates, your seniors, approach them. Like by the time you start taking it one topic after the other, you get, possibly you have like 24 topics in one particular course. Out of 24, you found like 12 difficult, which is like just half of the entire workload of the course. If you start taking it one topic at a time, one tutorial at a time, one classmate at a time, one senior at a time, before you know it, the 12 has already gone down to 0. So you have enough time within the semester to actually take these things one step after the other. Then when you're going to the exam, which is the third and final thing that I'm going to say, stop listening to people that are saying this part is going to come out, this part is going to come out, this part is going to come out, this part is going to come out. Seriously, it actually doesn't help, because that's at that period everybody is tense. People are looking for how to get extra information, or possibly to guess if one part of the course is going to come out or one part of the course is not going to come out, and that sometimes, to me, I feel is due to inadequate preparation. So the best thing you can do for yourself is to spread out the work, just like I said earlier. Take it one step at a time. Then before the exam, you'd have found out that you'd have covered a lot. If you're waiting for 3 weeks or 2 weeks before the exam, trust me, you are definitely going to have exam tension. So I've spoken about 2 major things that could help you to overcome exam tension as a nursing student, which are 1, having a positive mindset, then 2, proper planning and proper preparation. Now, if you learned 1 or 2 things from this video, please give this video a like. Comment down below, let me know if you want to see other videos and other videos that you would want me to discuss, or other topics you want me to discuss. Share this video to your friends who are nursing students that you believe will need this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.